Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you what I cooked today. I made like some jerk chicken in here. I just put the seasoning on there, you guys, because sometimes it can be a little spicy. So that's what I have right there on deck. I have my little cornbread right here, frying up here, cooking real good, you guys. Over here, I had some greens here on deck. I chopped up my bacon and everything this morning, and I put it off in there. And over here, burn myself. I have me some candy yams and bubbling down up in there, you guys, with butter and brown sugar. It's hot. So yeah, so that's what I'm cooking today. And usually I don't cook a meal like this until Sunday, but I just had taste for it today, so why not? That part. So yeah, so this one I'm cooking today, and my chicken. I hope it's not too spicy. I taste it, but it's okay. It's okay. I can deal with the spice, you guys. So, yeah, that's my dinner for today. Ooh-wee. So I'm gonna let this do its finishing touches, you guys. And I will be back later. And bye-bye for now.